Welcome, dear listeners, to another illuminating episode part 1, embracing the AI revolution in our ongoing series on the cutting edge of artificial intelligence innovation. I'm your host, and today we venture into the heart of the AI revolution with none other than Dr. Shimmer Gold, a luminary whose insights light the way for enterprises navigating this transformative era. Dr. Gold, thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey.
Thank you for the warm welcome. I'm delighted to share how AI is not just a tool, but a catalyst for reinvention and growth in the realm of enterprise.
Let's delve deep into this transformative narrative. We're amidst an AI revolution. What does this paradigm shift mean for established legacy systems and large-scale enterprises?
Imagine the AI revolution as a tide that elevates all ships, offering legacy enterprises a rare opportunity to reinvent themselves and secure a competitive edge. By harnessing AI, companies can unveil new revenue streams, craft bespoke customer experiences, and streamline their operations with surgical precision. Take, for example, a global retail chain that employs AI to predict consumer behavior and dynamically adjust inventory, effectively reducing stockouts and waste while ensuring the right product is available at the right time.
That is truly compelling. Could you shed light on the notion of building atop foundation models? How does this strategy empower enterprises to develop AI applications with a pioneering AI-first mindset?
Foundation models are the bedrock of modern AI. They are pre trained models that can be meticulously fine tuned for a vast array of specific tasks. Think of them as highly versatile canvases that allow companies to paint a picture of innovation without starting from scratch. This approach not only accelerates development and slashes costs, but also enhances accuracy dramatically. Consider a financial institution using a foundation model to analyze market trends and personalize investment strategies for its clients, thereby moving from a generic offering to a bespoke, data-driven advisory service. Adopting an AI-first mindset means recognizing AI as the engine of innovation, propelling us into a future where technology and business growth are inextricably linked.
You mentioned the wedge theory in the context of early AI product development. Could you expound on this concept and illustrate a successful real-world example from the enterprise sector?
Absolutely, the wedge theory advises that early AI product development should focus on a narrow, specific pain point rather than attempting to solve an entire landscape all at once. This method is akin to chiseling away at a block of marble to reveal the masterpiece inside, a focused initiative that can later be expanded upon. Picture an enterprise that initially deploys AI to automate a single aspect of customer service, such as handling frequently asked questions. This targeted solution not only delivers immediate value and improved response times, but serves as a foundation to gradually incorporate more complex, nuanced interactions. For example, a telecommunications company might initially focus on automating billing inquiries and later extend the system to diagnose technical issues, progressively enhancing customer support.
Fascinating. Turning to a more technical yet critical perspective, what role does AI software play in refining workflows and enhancing business logic, particularly when intertwined with proprietary data? Moreover, how can enterprises ensure the robust security and governance of these systems?
AI software is the dynamic engine that can rewire workflows and infuse business logic with new levels of intelligence. When seamlessly integrated with proprietary data, AI becomes a powerful oracle, unveiling insights that drive strategic decisions and operational efficiency. However, as with any powerful tool, it must be wielded with care. Enterprises can safeguard their AI ecosystems by embedding rigorous data encryption protocols, meticulous access controls, and comprehensive auditing mechanisms. Imagine a healthcare provider leveraging AI to analyze patient data to anticipate trends in disease outbreaks, all while firmly adhering to HIPAA and other regulatory standards that protect patient confidentiality and data integrity.
That perspective is particularly enlightening. Shifting gears slightly, how do enterprises strike a balance between focusing on AI models and concentrating on the business outcomes they aim to achieve. Could you share some practical examples where an outcome-first approach has led to quantifiable business value?
The secret lies in embracing an outcomes over outputs philosophy. Enterprises should prioritize the tangible value and results that AI can deliver rather than getting mired in model intricacies. For instance, instead of simply deploying a generic chatbot, a company might aim to reduce customer service resolution times dramatically, say, resolving 80% of inquiries within 2 minutes. This laser-focused target not only drives operational efficiency, but also boosts customer satisfaction and reduces support costs. In another scenario, an automobile manufacturer might use AI to predict machinery maintenance needs, thereby minimizing downtime and slashing maintenance expenses. Here, success is measured not by the sophistication of the AI model, but by its ability to deliver real, measurable business outcomes. To illustrate this point, consider an enterprise that wants to enhance its customer support capabilities. Rather than building a generic chatbot, the enterprise might focus on creating an AI-powered customer support system that can resolve 80% of customer inquiries within 2 minutes. This outcome-focused approach ensures that the AI system is designed to drive tangible business results, such as improved customer satisfaction and reduced support costs.
Before we wrap up, could you share your thoughts on designing AI products that are not only innovative today, but are also adaptable, scalable, and resilient for the future?
Designing AI products is much like planting a seed that must eventually grow into a robust tree, one that can weather the changing seasons. Enterprises must look several steps ahead and engineer systems that are flexible enough to integrate emerging technologies such as augmented reality, the Internet of Things, or even quantum computing in the future. A great example is a logistics company that develops an AI-driven platform capable of evolving from route optimization to integrating real-time traffic data, weather forecasts, and autonomous vehicle operations. This foresight ensures that the product remains relevant and continually improves to meet shifting market demands and technological advancements.
Thank you, Dr. Gold, for these thought-provoking insights into the vast potential of enterprise AI. Your expertise has shed new light on how AI can be woven into the fabric of business strategy to drive unparalleled growth and innovation.
It's been a pleasure discussing the dynamic intersection of AI and enterprise with you. I'm excited for what the future holds and for enterprises ready to harness these innovations.
That concludes today's episode of our podcast series. Join us next time as we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of AI and its transformative impact on industries around the world. Until then, stay curious and keep innovating. Welcome to our podcast series Part 2 episode on harnessing AI for business success, where we explore the latest trends and innovations in AI. I'm your host, and today we're joined again by Dr. Shimmer Gold, a renowned expert in enterprise AI. Dr. Gold, thanks for being on the show again.
Thanks for having me again. I'm excited to share more insights on how enterprises can unlock the potential of AI.
Let's dive into today's topics. You've mentioned that abstraction from the underlying AI is crucial. Can you elaborate on this point?
When enterprises adopt AI, they often focus on the technology itself rather than the business outcomes. However, what customers really want is software that can plug into their existing systems, such as ERP or support systems, to power their workflows. Abstraction from the underlying AI enables enterprises to create software that meets these customer needs.
That makes sense. How does the end-user experience trump the underlying tech in AI adoption?
While the underlying AI technology is important, the end-user experience is ultimately what drives business success. Enterprises should focus on creating AI-powered software that delivers a seamless and intuitive user experience. This is because models may change or improve over time, but a well-designed user experience will remain a key differentiator.
How do AI companies differ from traditional software companies? What does it mean to build an AI subsidiary, and how can this drive business innovation?
AI companies are fundamentally different from traditional software companies. building an AI subsidiary requires a deep understanding of AI and its applications. It's not just about bolting AI onto existing software, but rather reimagining the entire business to be AI native. This is similar to the cloud movement a decade ago, where enterprises had to adapt to a new paradigm. Now we're in the AI-driven world, and enterprises must transform to stay competitive.
Can you share some examples of delivering real-world outcomes with AI? How can enterprises focus on driving tangible business results?
Enterprises should focus on building AI-driven software that solves real-world problems. For instance, an AI-powered customer support system that can resolve 80% of customer inquiries within 2 minutes is a tangible outcome that drives business value. By focusing on such outcomes, enterprises can ensure that AI adoption delivers measurable ROI.
What do you mean by the cost of intelligence is going to go to zero? How will this impact business leaders and their decision-making processes?
As AI advances, the cost of intelligence will decrease dramatically. This means that businesses will have access to unprecedented levels of insights and automation. However, this also requires a new mindset for leaders, as they'll need to adapt to an environment where intelligence is commoditized. It's a vertical lift that will require leaders to rethink their strategies and operational models.
How will the evolution of model companies impact the AI landscape? What new opportunities and challenges will emerge?
The evolution of model companies will lead to the development of more sophisticated AI models that can reason, learn, and interact with humans in more natural ways. However, this also means that the value will shift from the models themselves to the applications and services built on top of them. Enterprises will need to adapt to this new reality and focus on creating AI-powered software that delivers tangible business outcomes.
What are the limitations of being a pure-play AI model company? How can enterprises avoid the risks associated with this approach?
Pure-play AI model companies face significant risks as they're heavily dependent on the underlying AI technology. Once open-source AI models level up to frontier models, the competitive advantage is lost. To avoid this risk, enterprises should focus on building AI-powered software that solves real-world problems and delivers tangible business outcomes.
Can you summarize the key takeaways from our conversation today?
Sure, enterprises should focus on abstraction from the underlying AI, deliver real-world outcomes, and prioritize the end-user experience. They should also build AI-powered software that solves real-world problems and drives tangible business results. By doing so, enterprises can unlock the potential of AI and stay competitive in today's fast-changing business landscape.
Thanks, Dr. Gold, for sharing your valuable insights on enterprise AI. Your expertise has been incredibly helpful in understanding the opportunities and challenges of AI adoption. Any final thoughts?
Thank you for having me again. It's been a pleasure to discuss the exciting possibilities of AI in the enterprise. In today's rapidly shifting digital landscape, launching an AI subsidiary isn't just an option, it's a strategic imperative for large enterprises aiming to secure a competitive edge. By establishing a dedicated arm for artificial intelligence, companies can harness cutting-edge technologies to unlock new revenue streams, streamline operations, and revolutionize customer experiences. This innovative approach not only accelerates time to market, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and agility. Imagine an enterprise that leverages AI to predict market trends, personalize customer engagement, and optimize supply chains in real time. Such a move transforms challenges into opportunities, paving the way for unprecedented growth and profitability. An AI subsidiary acts as a nucleus of innovation, enabling businesses to experiment with next-generation solutions, integrate emerging technologies, and stay ahead of disruptive competitors. In essence, the creation of an AI subsidiary is a forward-thinking strategy that positions large enterprises at the vanguard of the digital revolution, ensuring they remain resilient, adaptive, and pioneering in an era defined by technological evolution. The time to invest in the future is now. Embrace AI and transform your enterprise into a powerhouse of innovation.
That's all for today's episode. Leaders, tune in next time for more expert insights on AI and innovation.